Is your engine shaking, sounding rough, or just not running right? That could be an engine misfire. And if you ignore it, it could lead to costly repairs. Let's break down exactly what it is, why it happens, and how to catch it early. In a healthy engine, each cylinder fires in sequence, creating smooth power. In a misfire, that power stroke is weak or missing, causing rough, idle, hesitation, or reduced performance. There are three main categories of causes. 1. Ignition-related, faulty spark plugs, worn ignition coils, bad spark plug wires, or even issues with the ignition control module. Two, fuel-related, clogged or leaking fuel injectors, low fuel pressure, or bad fuel. Three, mechanical-related, problems like worn piston rings, low compression, bent valves, or timing chain issues. I've pinned a link to a professional-grade compression test kit in the comments section, so you can check it out for yourself. It's the same type of tool mechanics use to quickly confirm if low compression is behind a misfire. Common signs include rough idle or engine shaking, hesitation when accelerating, reduced power or fuel efficiency, check engine light flashing or staying on, unusual exhaust sounds or smell of unburned fuel. A mechanic will usually scan the ECU for trouble codes. Common misfire codes are P0300 for random, share multiple misfires, and P0301 to P0308 for specific cylinders. From there, they'll inspect spark plugs, coils, injectors, and run a compression or leak down test if needed. Sometimes it's even caused by sensors giving wrong data to the ECU. Here's an example from the scan tool. This truck is showing a cylinder 6 misfire, as you can see on the screen. Having this information makes diagnostics more accurate because now we can focus directly on the suspected cylinder instead of guessing. Driving with a misfire can cause unburned fuel to damage your catalytic converter, overheat engine components, and even lead to major engine damage. The longer you wait, the bigger and more expensive the problem becomes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. It really helps the video reach a wider audience. So, if your engine isn't running smooth, don't guess. Get it checked. A quick diagnosis today can save you from a big repair bill tomorrow. If you want to learn more about diagnosing and fixing misfires, check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips.